All right, guys, so Jake's gonna open up his present here for helping us out on YouTube lately. We appreciate him to the fullest. You guys can see here, we do not have enough color going on in here just yet, so we're gonna add some more and get a first look here. Dang, look at the size of that filter, boy. That is airflow right there. Man, look at that unit, boy.
I am all for it.
Is that like a 4 or 5?
I think it's 4.
That's, yeah, we can put that on the exhaust tip even.
No kidding.
How's it look out there in the sun?
The sun does it way more justice.
Let's get that on camera. Can you guys see this unit? My eyes love it. And I like the black. Mine has the white accent piece and it's so hard to keep clean.
I bet.
The black looks so nice. What a good touch, man.
Yeah, they did an amazing job.
Look at the flakes in there, boy. Oh. Insane.
Beautiful color.
All right, so it is HSP day down here at the shop. As you can see in my Duramax, we got some beautiful blue piping and stuff in here from HSP, and today we are going to be doing a custom color in Jake's truck. But if you have a stock intake on your Powerstroke, you might be looking for something different, so that is what we're about to get into today. So yeah, let's get in there and check that thing out. All right, guys, so we are back here. We're gonna start with the cold air intake first. This will be the first one. So here it is in the box. Obviously, it's already open because we had to check it out, but let's show them right here. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Whiskey bronze, bro. Look at how good that sucker looks. So this is the cold air intake straight from HSP to replace the factory style. This is not the factory one. This was already an aftermarket one.
Yeah.
So, I mean, maybe we got one outside. I can show them on a different truck. But the main reason you guys are watching the video is you want this kit right here, don't you? So we're going to take you through exactly how we do this. Jake's going to be putting it on in this video for you guys. And then we will see afterwards, obviously, what it looks like. And, you know, maybe you'll make the right decision.
Absolutely.
To buy something like this. So
with HSP.
Again, the best in the business, great friends of ours. They take care of us time and time again. I actually made a whole playlist of everything we've done for HSP. So if you guys want to check that out, Duramax stuff, we haven't done any Cummins stuff. Maybe we got to do one of those next if we know somebody, but nice to get some Powerstroke stuff on there too. So
absolutely.
This will be for the 2011 to 15s steel body.
Yeah. 11 to 16, but same.
And the 16, my bad. Yeah, I messed up. Yep. So 2011 to 2016. This is what you guys are going to get straight from HSP. So I'm going to pass it over to Jake here to get on the install, and we'll see you guys back when it's done. Let's go.
All right.
All right. This one's coming out. We got the new HSP going in. So show you guys that. We already touched on it a little bit, but got her all laid out, ready to go. Gonna throw it in. Didn't take much time at all. Fancy little collar that slides in here to bolt your mass airflow sensor in. Get that all lined up and get the new cover put on, then your mass airflow goes in there. Some way, shape, or form, something like so. But get that all bolted in and show you the rest of the install. Sensor all put in, their collar slid in, and this little cover goes on with this bolt and this bolt. Then there's an O-ring that sits underneath here. The mass airflow sensor is installed. Now the rest of the kit just needs to fall right into place. All right, I messed up. Forgot to show the bottom piece of the airbox going in, but that just slips right in. Just watch out for your power cables. You can take it off if it makes you feel a little better. There's one little bolt back here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that now. I had to find that for mine. Set that down gently. More of a flat side and a round side. Flat side. This clamps is going to be a little bit more rounded than the other. What have I got wrong here? There's a little arrow on the bottom side of this mass airflow sensor that tells you which way to go. loose for now. And the filter. Rotated the clamp before I put it on there, should say. This clamp might have to be adjusted for the lid to fit, but mainly because I think I'm too far in. That's why we got the lid. See how everything sits. Do you believe that's how it is sitting? Alright, as you can see, I went and got the other two clamps tightened up, push clips put in the lid, and this thing looks beautiful. So, got that beautiful whiskey bronze color. Just need to wipe the fingerprints off of it now. But installed, super easy, not bad at all to do. Thanks again to the guys over at HSP.
And just like that, we are finished. Look at how absolutely beautiful this sucker turned out. Dude, that color choice is so crazy. And to think that I wasn't even going this route at all, I'm glad Jake totally went with this color because it looks so good with the black, that whiskey bronze. What did you guys think? Super easy install. Obviously, Jake said it went super smooth. Probably got that in the video from him. I mean, he did just do a whole turbo swap on this thing. If you didn't see that video, go back. But this is the air intake from HSP. And man, does it look insane. Not only a great value obviously for the color, making it look pretty, but the performance aspect and the durability compared to the stock one is just unmatched. So I'm super excited next to get the coolant pipe put in the next video, so make sure you guys do stick around for that. But what do you guys think? If you have any questions or comments on the install, make sure to put them down below. We would be happy to answer them for you. A side note, you can get the powder coated clamps like we had on the L5P. Look at that sucker. Oh my gosh, that is so much cleaner than it used to be. Wow, that really brightened it up. So that is a nice touch as well. We'll have to do that on another project for sure, but man, the intake, I can step back. It just looks so good on the Powerstroke out here. So yeah, I'll kind of leave you guys with that, man. It's super humid out here today. The rain just came through. It's about to rain again. But if you guys like this, like I said, we do have more HSP content, not only on the channel, but also upcoming. They are a great sponsor. They are a great company, great people. And I'm not just saying that, I truly mean that. So give them a follow. You can follow our page on Instagram as well. So do that and stick around because we love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless y'all. Peace.